Unlock the power of feedback with SurveyMonkey. Whether you are a business owner, a student, or just someone eager to gather opinions, our beginner-friendly guide will walk you through the simple steps to create effective surveys. Discover how to design engaging questions, analyze responses, and transform insights into action, all in just a few clicks. Ready to harness the voice of your audience? Let's dive in. So hey guys, and welcome in this video where I will show you step by step how to use SurveyMonkey. So the first things that you have to do is open your browser and dive into surveymonkey.com. This is the homepage as you can see. So what is SurveyMonkey? SurveyMonkey is an online platform that allows users to create, distribute, and analyze surveys. It provides a user-friendly interface for designing questionnaires, collecting responses, and generating reports. Ideal for businesses, educators, and researchers, SurveyMonkey helps gather valuable feedback, insights, and data to inform decisions. With various templates and customizable options, it makes survey creation accessible even for beginners. So all I have to do right now is just come back to the top here and you click over register with his email address. You can also use other option like Google or Apple, or you can just click over free registration. Once you do that and you write your email address and your password, you will find this page. Let's get to know you. I'm using SurveyMonkey for work or education or personal. Then you can also skip this page, or you can just click over the one you are and you will find this page also. What you want to do? First of all, we have here start from scratch. Begin with a blank page or copy and paste a survey you have written. Then you have use a quick template. Use a template we have picked for you to create and send surveys faster. Then you have build with EA. Type a short prompt. EA will create a follow survey just for you. So you click over the one you want. Then you will find this page. So to create a survey, you click over here. Once you do that, you will find here this page. So to create, you have just to add a logo, drag and drop a file here. We have JPG, GIF, PNG. We have also a library here. You can just upgrade it. Computer also, and then you upload your photo. Then you have here also add collaborators. Then you have here chats and you have preview survey. And we have also page logic here, page skip logic, question randomization, page randomization, and then we have more actions here, copy page, edit page, info, require questions. Then if you scroll down, you can also add page title. You have just to, first of all, under your question, you can use here bold, for example. You can use italic. You can also use the color that you want. For example, I use this one. Then here we have checkbox. Down we have matrix and rating scale, ranking, slider, multiple text box, date and name, time, we have comment box, single text box, file upload. And if you click over it, you have your instruction for here. We have here also enter instruction for the respondent. And then you click over save, or you click over next question. Then we have also here other things like title, and you add your description. So if you click over build and you click over checkbox, you just have to write your question. Then we have your select correct answer. You can add point here. Then we have your reverse answer order, bulk answers. We have scored this question, add another answer option or comment field. Then you have here display as answer choice, display as a comment file. You choose here single line of text or paragraph of text, how many lines, for example 20, how many characters. Then we have validation here. We have also when the answer is invalid, the comment you entered here, then you add a new one, for example here, label also, and how many points then you click over save. Then you have your style, you have settings here, your logo, footer, fonts, layout, background also. Then you have your themes, choose the one you want. As you can see, for example, I will choose this one. As you can see, then we have also logic here, page skip logic, page randomization, question randomization, block randomization, and we have here core. And also in options we have survey title, exit link, progress bar, page titles, page numbers. Then we have questions numbers also. Then we have here question bank, recommended questions, previously used questions, all categories. You have community here, customer feedback, you have customer satisfaction. Then you have here classic, you click over classic, one question at a time. Then you can also start a conversation. Then you have your paid features, your basic plan only lets you preview paid features and question types. Upload your plan to use them, or edit, remove them to send your survey for free. You click over view plans, and then we have here also print survey. Choose from the options below to create a printable copy of your survey. The survey will be saved as a PDF file. You have optimized for print, you choose or use current theme. Then you have include images here, include survey title, include page numbers, print and orientation. Also you choose here portrait or landscape. Then you have a paper size, and then you download the PDF. Then you have your print. So I mentioned that before. So using SurveyMonkey as a beginner is straightforward. First, sign up for a free account on the SurveyMonkey website. Once logged in, click on the Create Survey button. You can either start from scratch or choose a template that fits your needs. Next is to drag and drop editor to add various question types such as multiple choice or open-ended questions. Customize your surveys by adjusting them and adding a title and description. After you have added all your questions, preview your survey to ensure everything looks good. Once satisfied, click on the Collect Responses tab to choose how you want to distribute your survey, via email, a link, or social media. Finally, after collecting responses, you can analyze the results using the built-in analytics tools, which provide insights into the data collected. With these steps, you'll be able to create and manage surveys effectively. So, SurveyMonkey is a powerful tool for creating surveys with ease. To maximize your experience, focus on quality and your questions. Keep your survey concise and target the right audience for your responses. Don't forget to test your survey before sharing it to catch any issues. Finally, regularly review the analytics to gain valuable insights and improve future surveys. Happy surveying! So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video.